Hey, very good evening to all of you. Welcome to this session. So, how is everything is going on? I think all of you are safe at your home and waiting for studies. So, today I am going to teach you NCRT class 9 chapter Force and Laws of Motion. So, you all will energized and ready to start this session. I think yes. In last lecture we discussed about the linear momentum. Now we will discuss about the Newton's second law of motion. So lastly we have discussed about the linear momentum. Now we will study Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force. मतलब momentum, rate of change of momentum force applied के directly proportional है, and the change of momentum occurs in the direction of force के direction में. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity, and momentum is represented by P, M mass and V velocity. For example, let there be a football kicked by someone. It will move for some. It have a constant mass and the initial velocity is 0. Let after kicking it will travel some distance because of the accelerated force, and let the final velocity be v and mass is the constant. So we will do the derivation of second law of motion. Let the distance traveled by the football be some distance. Okay. Now initial momentum is equal to mu. Final momentum is mv. Rate of change of momentum we know, change in momentum upon time. Rate of change of momentum is equal to initial moment, final momentum minus initial momentum, mv minus mu. Time taken, let time taken be t. When we are taking m as a common, in bracket we will get v minus u, and the time taken will be t. We have already derived this in the previous lectures. Okay, the rate of change of momentum. In the class also we have discussed. Okay, so when we have taken m as a common, we will get that v minus u upon t. We know that. I think when we are deriving the derivation by graphical method, then also we have derived this v minus u upon t. All of you are recalling that. So rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to mass into acceleration. V minus u upon t, already we have discussed it. That is what? A, acceleration. So we can say that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force. So force is directly proportional to the mass into acceleration. To remove the proportionality sign, we will put a constant k. K is what? Constant of proportionality. So F is equal to k multiplied by m multiplied by a. K times m times a. The force is equal to, let the constant is equal to 1. Then we can say that force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. Okay. So this is what? The mass multiplied by the acceleration. I think all of you are clearly getting that the force is what? Applied force is directly proportional to what? Change in momentum. Okay, we have derived that force is what? Mass into acceleration. Thank you.